Is your iPhone acting strange? Here's a quick 60-second check to see if it might be hacked. Open Settings and tap Battery to review recent battery usage. Look for unknown apps using high battery in the last 24 hours. Go to General, then Profiles or Device Management to spot unfamiliar profiles. Remove any profiles or certificates you don't recognize. Open Privacy to check location services, camera, and microphone access. Review app permissions and revoke access for suspicious apps now. Check passwords and settings for unauthorized accounts or saved credentials. Disconnect unknown Wi-Fi networks and forget any you don't trust. Update iOS and apps now to patch security vulnerabilities. Change important passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and sign out of unknown devices. If problems continue, back up, perform a factory reset, and contact Apple support. Stay safe.